Real quick, this is 2 ways for you guys to get CapCut Pro for completely free. Make sure you guys go ahead and watch this video all the way to the very end, maybe even putting it on 0.5 times speed, because I am going to be talking fast because I don't want to waste any of your time. So if I go ahead and show you guys my phone right here, I just added this random meme that I have from my phone. It's just Piccolo screaming, "Taco Bell!" If you guys know what it is, it's pretty funny. But basically, if we want to access any of CapCut Pro feature, all we got to do is that we got to go to the effects panel right here. We got to go to, let's say, the AI effects. Let's go ahead and use, for example, this auto reframe button right here. I can go ahead and set it to 16:9, hit OK. And then it says premium feature applied. Keep in mind, it does say a pro feature. So if I wanted to go ahead and download it, I would have to join CapCut Pro. But let's say I didn't want to join CapCut Pro. All I would have to do is just make this video full screen and then scroll down to where it says start recording. So if you guys don't have the record feature built in on your iPhone, all you guys need to do is that you need to go to the settings bar. All you guys need to do is you need to go to the settings part of your iPhone. Now, I don't really know how to do this on Android. If you guys are on Android, I'm not really 100% positive how to do that, but you guys could also just get on, let's say, your computer and use a software like OBS to go ahead and record CapCut and use the exact same method. All you guys have to do is you have to go to the control center, and you have to make sure that the screen recording feature is enabled in the control center and that you have it set to access within apps. And then all you guys got to do is that you got to scroll down right here, click on this button. I'm streaming my phone to my computer, so I can't show you guys exactly how to do this, but it should just say screen recording. All you would have to do is hit screen recording and then just play the full video. And then the screen recording will pick up any of the pro features that you guys went ahead and applied. And then obviously at the end of it, all you would have to do is edit out the CapCut logo. And then just like that, you can use basically any one of the CapCut Pro features for completely free. However, let's say you guys wanted to actually have CapCut Pro for completely free. The second method is going to be a method for you guys to literally get the actual real CapCut Pro method for completely free by making a free 10 bucks right now. All you guys got to do is that you got to go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and download CashApp. If you guys already have CashApp downloaded, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make a second CashApp account. You guys can use the exact same info as the previous CashApp account. CashApp will not ban you for doing this. And what we're going to do is we're going to exploit a hidden feature within CashApp to make a free 10 bucks. You guys can also go ahead and sign up to CashApp with the link in the description, and then you also don't have to do the next step. The next step after you guys create your CashApp account is going to go to the top right profile section right here, scroll down to where it says enter referral code. Once you guys get here, what you guys are going to want to enter is this exact referral code. The code you guys are going to enter is going to be TSQQV7H. Just like that, guys. And then you're going to want to go ahead and hit enter. Once you guys do that, you will get a free $10 CashApp invite pending bonus. Just like all of these people right here. So Cameron Campus has a free $10 that they just got because they went ahead and followed the next 2 steps. If you guys don't follow the next 2 steps, you will not get the free $10. So just keep that in mind. And then the next step is to go back to the My Account section, go down to where it says Linked Banks, and either add a bank account or a debit card. It doesn't matter which one, you can add either or. And then the last step is go to the Cash App button right here, hit $5, and then pay someone inside of your contacts $5 in Cash App. You guys can go ahead and pay my Cash App, which is XavierYT2. It's spelled the exact same way my channel is. And while you guys are looking at my channel username, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I'm dropping more insane methods just like these. So make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss out on a video. And then you guys can go ahead and pay me $5, which then I can go ahead and refund you so we can both get the $10 invite bonus, because for full transparency, I will also make a free $10, but you will make a free $10 and it will come at literally no cost to you, which means that it would be rather silly if you guys didn't go ahead and take this opportunity and download a Cash App today so you could make that free 10 bucks. After that, what I would recommend you guys do is that you go ahead and sign up for the Cash App card. It is completely free. You can get an entirely free debit card with Cash App. And the best part about Cash App is that Cash App has no overdraft protection. Essentially what this means is that you can use your Cash App debit card to sign up for free trials for things like, let's say, the CapCut Pro free trial. And if there's no money in your cash balance, like there's no money in mine, that means that you guys will not be charged at all, and it won't result in a negative balance like if you did with a debit card. So with that all being said, guys, that is the 2 methods for getting CapCut Pro for completely free. But before you guys go ahead and click away, what I would recommend doing is that I would recommend clicking on the first link in the description and checking out F University. F University is my exclusive paid product that will literally teach you if you only have $1 to your name, meaning that because you just got 10 bucks from Cash App, you guys could go ahead and do the methods that I teach you. You guys could literally, using the methods inside of F University, go from $1 to $1,000, $1,000 to 10,000, 10,000 to 100,000, and then 100,000 to $1 million. We also have a $10,000 no risk credit funding guide that literally anybody can do, and they can get funding within 6 months if you guys follow the methods. On top of that, we have a full personal branding guide, so you guys can create your own YouTube channel and become big and famous on YouTube, like guys like Quan, Punchmade Dev, all of those big guys. On top of that, if you guys don't even want to buy F University, go ahead and just check out the video on the main F University page, because that video is going to teach you how to get F University for completely free lifetime. There's a method inside of there that if you guys follow, I will personally give you F University for completely free for the rest of your life. On top of that, F University is currently at a massively discounted price until we hit 100 members. And then once we hit 100 members, I'm going to start charging $100 a month for it. But if you guys get it for $8 right now, you will be grandfathered in at that current price. So you will never see a price increase. With that all being said, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.